Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you a preview of my heirloom style jewelry that I like to make from broken and old pieces of vintage jewelry. I'm going to have these pieces listed in my Etsy shop, and I hope they inspire you to have fun and go out there and make your own jewelry. If you love seeing videos like this and you want to see more videos like this and you want to see how I make this jewelry, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video with the preview of my jewelry. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel. My part 2 of this video, I will show you how to make this jewelry. And if you saw any pieces that you love, you can purchase them in my Etsy shop, and the link is listed below. Thanks for watching.